Hi, my name is Blake with the Electric Bike Company, and today I want to showcase one of our other accessories for the MIK click system. So here I have our black saddlebags that you can easily attach to your cargo carrier or to your rear rack of your EBC bicycle. And as you can see here, we have the rear rack of this Model M, and it's a very simple system. You just slide it in and click. And there you go, and that's it. It's well attached to the bicycle, and when you want to take it off, you just take your MIK stick right here, open it up, just lift, and there you go. So this is one of our great accessories right now that you can purchase online on our store. If you have any questions, please visit us at www.electricbikecompany.com for more information. And as always, safe travels and happy riding.